Welcome to Pacific. As you're packing, don't forget to consider how your move can impact the environment. Here are our top tips for sustainable college move-in. When you're going through your closet, pack enough clothing to last you for about 2 weeks. If you can go home during breaks, leave your out-of-season clothes at home until you need them. If you want to buy a mattress pad for extra comfort, consider sleeping on the bed for a few days before making a purchase. You may sleep fine without one. If not, go for an organic cotton pad instead of foam, because foam can't be recycled or donated. You may want to have a mini fridge, but before bringing one, check with your roommate to see what they're bringing. You only need one fridge to share. You only need 1 to 2 sets of utensils, mugs, and bowls. This helps save space and time cleaning dishes. When packing for personal care items, look for hair, dental, and body care items that are plastic-free, low waste, and non-toxic. Rooms at Pacific are furnished with a bed, mattress, desk, and a chair. If you want to furnish your room, spend time in it to see what it will fit. Before buying notebooks or binders, wait to see your class syllabus, as you may only need a handful of items. There's a supply station at the Wendell Phillips Center on campus that provides basic school supplies for free. Pacific offers a low-cost printing service in various residential buildings and student spaces, so you don't need to buy a printer. This will save you money on ink and paper. Getting around on campus is easier on foot, bike, skateboard, or scooter, so you can leave your car at home. The Stockton area offers a variety of public transportation options to get off campus. Refill stations are all over campus to fill your reusable bottle, including the residential halls and classroom buildings. If you don't have access to one, you can invest in a filter pitcher to keep in your fridge. Pack your things in sturdy, reusable totes to store under your bed or send back home with your family until it's time to pack again. Pack as if you're going backpacking, rather than like you're going to lay down roots. The less you bring now, the easier it will be to move out during finals. Happy packing, Tigers!